Hello, I'm Larry Ray, owner of Larry's Independent Service here in Mission Viejo. Established in 1993, we have built a reputation for being an honest and dependable auto repair shop, Asian and American automobiles. We perform anything from basic maintenance, diagnostics, to engine replacement. Today I'm excited to present to you our new program, the multi-point inspection. No matter what reason your car is in our care, we thoroughly inspect every vehicle to make sure it is in the best working order and safe to drive.
Hi there, I'm Chrissy, in charge of customer care at Larry's Independent. I'm your tour guide today to walk you through our multi-point inspection service. Follow me. A car comes in the shop, we do a full digital inspection. We take it for a one mile test drive, and then we check the operation of all the exterior lights, the interior lights. We check the indicators on the dash to make sure that you don't have a check engine light on, a brake light on, some sort of warning light on. Test the emergency brake operation when we park it, and that is the first step in our digital inspection. Now moving on to the under hood part of this section, Chris is going to be checking all of the fluids, the oil, the transmission fluid, the coolant, power steering fluid, the transmission fluid. We check the levels, top them off as needed, then move on to testing the battery, all the drive belts, and the air filter. When testing the battery, we also test the starter and the alternator. We will report those findings in your digital inspection. He's checking the tires and the brakes, visually inspecting the brakes, measuring the thickness of the pads, checking the tread depth of the tires. We also check for uneven tire wear, which could be caused by needing an alignment or possible cupping from struts and shocks that are worn out. Possible leaks coming from the transmission or the engine. He's also checking the boots on the constant velocity axles, the front CV axles, and checking the engine mounts and the transmission mounts. Now in the steering part of the digital inspection, he's going to be checking the rack and pinion boots, the power steering hoses, the pump, the inner and outer tie rod ends. Checking for any damage or leaking. He's checking the suspension, ball joints, front springs, lower control arms. In the final section of our digital inspection, he's checking the rear suspension. We're checking the springs, the shocks, control arms. Every vehicle that comes through our shop gets this full inspection. It is in a digital format. If Chris were to find anything that he sees needs addressed, he would take pictures of it, and those pictures would be included in your digital inspection. And we send those via a text message with a link, or to your email, or both. The reason that we do this for our customers is to offer transparency in our repairs.
Thank you again for choosing Larry's Independent Service.